Here's how you first let's see in the BTC 3 minute time frame it is giving you accuracy of around 77%, and in the gold 1 minute you are getting accuracy of 70%. If you will see the result in 3 minute time frame, gold is giving you accuracy of 70%, and in the 5 minute time frame it's giving you accuracy of around 74%, and in the BTC SOAR. So we will discuss the whole detail. First see, and the profit here you can see in the gold, and in the all pair indicator is working 100% perfectly fine, and it's 100% not repeated. The indicator name is King Cobra indicator, and how you will get we will discuss later. Okay, first we will see either the indicator is repainted or not. So okay, let's start the video. Just a small request, please subscribe my channel and must like the video. Okay, let's start the video. Here you can see in the gold 5 minute time frame it is giving you accuracy of 74%. So the most important thing, either the indicator is repainted or not. So we will discuss this one. Here you can see these are buy and sell signals, so we do not need concern on this buy and sell signal. We will hide this option. Go to the King Cobra indicator setting. Okay, if in the setting you will find the option, let me show you. Go to the properties and style. Here you will find the option buy and sell. Okay, now this is the most important short signal. Here you can see, and here you can see you got the long signal, and here you can see the results. In the short, this is the most recent short signal. In the BTC, when you got the signal, the price was 44.68, and now the market is 44.51. That is really awesome. Okay, so let's discuss the whole detail. In the BTC, here you can see it's around 77% accuracy. In the 3 minute time frame you can use higher time frame as well. Let's see the results in 5 minutes. It is giving you accuracy, let me show you, 78%. That is really awesome. Okay, you can use in either higher time frame as well. We will discuss the whole detail. First we will discuss the gold. In the gold, here you can see this is really awesome. Okay, now we discuss either the indicator is repainted or not. So we will back test this indicator so we can see either the indicator is repainted or not. Okay, let's say bar replay this mode, and we will bar replay mode. We'll click on bar replay, start new, and then here you got the buy signal. Before buy signal, we will start our back testing. Here we go. Okay, now let's see. We will click on start, and let's see. Here we got yes, we got the buy signal exactly, and you can see amazing, man. That is really awesome. Okay, here let me show you some more results. Here we will first we will see reversal down signals. There are some reversal down signal as well, and here you can see. Here you go. Still, when you got the signal, the price was 43.24, and now you can see the market is 43.95. Okay, that is really amazing, amazing. Here you got the short signal, and you can see market goes downside. Amazing one. Okay, let's buy a fast replay mode. Okay, here we got the buy signal. You can see that is really awesome. Okay, let's see more signal. Okay, the most important thing, alerts are available of this indicator. We initially balance was $5,000. It's giving accuracy of 74% out of 150 trades. Okay, and so on. Here you can see all the trades here. This signal here you can see that one is a scheduled one. Okay, but the main point is if you lost in one trade, recover in the next trade. That is the beauty of this indicator. Here you can see if did not get the profit in the next trade, that is awesome. That is really awesome, and this is the most recent one. Here you can see. So in the back testing you can see the indicator is not repainted. Okay, now let's see the results in the BTC. Same option, we will go to the indicator setting, and in the style we will hide the buy and sell. option. Okay, if you do not want, do not need. Okay, okay, here you can see the beauty of this indicator. If you get the loss in one trade, do not worry, in the next trade you will definitely will give you amazing result. Okay, here let me show you how. Okay, here we got the short signal and here we got the buy signal. So before buy signal we will start our new trading session, and let's see. Okay, I love bar replay mode. We'll click on bar replay mode, and here you can see we got the buy signal here. Market goes downside, but do not worry. And here you can see that is somehow, that is amazing. Okay, that is the beauty. When you got the signal, the price was for 91,200 and market goes from 91,000 to 93,000. Okay, and this is the short signal, and here unfortunately we did not get the profit of short signal, but just like I mentioned, if you lost in one trade, recover in the next trade. That is the beauty of this indicator. Here we got the buy signal, and when you got the signal, the price was, let me show you, the price was 92,000 and 480, and now 92,000 market goes to 93,900 and still going upside. Yeah, it is amazing that 94,442 and still go 94,722. That's amazing, man. Here we got the short signal, the price was 94,300 and market now is on 93,585. Okay, still market maybe will go downside. Let's see. Okay, let's see more. That is the best indicator that I have made, and you can see that is really awesome. Price was 94,000 and now the market is now 93,435. Okay, around more than $1,000 movement in the BTC in the 5 minute time frame. You can use in higher time frame, you can use lower time frame as well. In the 1 minute, well, let's see, the indicator is giving you accuracy. Let me show you 70%. That is actually a very good accuracy. Okay, and here you can see the result is really awesome. Let's see the most recent signal. In the most recent, I told you the beauty of this indicator. If you lost in one trade, recover in the next trade. Okay, there is no worry, because here you can see, let's see, this is a live example. Loss in one trade, recovery in the next trade. Here you can see short signal, buy signal, short signal, buy signal. Okay, short signal, and here we go. That is really somehow awesome. And now, how you can get this indicator? These indicators are paid, not free of cost, but just not hundreds of dollars you will get indicator, not hundreds of dollars, just few dollars you will get indicator. Okay, and nobody can show you the indicators like me. And if you want to see results in some other pair like Euro USD on some other pairs, it is giving you accuracy 34%. That is really low, but do not worry. Our main pair are gold, BTC, Euro USD, JPY. In the pairs in which you are getting good accuracy, you can use them. Okay, like here 40%, but here you can see that is good one signal, that is good one signal. Okay, this one is amazing one, that is another good one. Okay, and here you can see that is another good one, that is another good one. Okay, I show you for 7 to 8 signal, and almost you can see all signals are profitable. Okay, and if you go to the crypto pairs like BTC, Ethereum, Solana 70% accuracy, XRP 66%, ADA 78%, that is 77%, that is awesome. In the BNP, that remember I'm using 1 minute, but if you will see the result in 5 minutes, you will get better accuracy. Sorry, 10, not 10 minutes, but in the 10 minutes you are getting 93%. That is awesome. Okay, that is really awesome, man. How you can get the indicator? If you need the indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details here. These are my contact details. If you need the indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, right one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram, and Gmail, simpleoga@gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. Any further query, any question, you can ask me. Okay, I give you the best explanation, and hopefully you will love this video as usual. Any question or any query, Kasturi, you can ask me. And for the next video, bye bye, take care.